If you are a believer, things can happen. We are telling you, therefore, FEP or EGOS, we want to form the second housing finance company of Kenya. Can you see how you struggle to own HFCK? Because you discover as a bank, you can't go far in housing. The CPK regulations cannot allow you to finance housing too much. There's something called risk framework. You understand? So you need to be a housing finance to take advantage. That's why we're not even KCB as the SNL arm as a company. So we are saying, therefore, FEP as early as now, we are saying we have registered a company called Thai Finance Company Limited. It's already registered. Thai means housing. It means what? Ego. Thai is an ego. That is for egos. Thai housing, Thai finance, no, Thai housing company. That's a company of register. But we know as we move on, CPK will give us permission when we start asking, once we get the capital required, we shall ask CPK to allow us to use the word finance. That will become Thai Housing Finance Company of Kenya, or like this. And there comes the second HFCK. You understand? Yeah. So we're asking you, if you want to own a home, 2020, 20 what? Hatuna shida, hapa tunajua 2020. Tunakwambia weka 1 million hapa. Tuko pamoja? 2017 PPO. 2020 I told that is defined. 2019 IPO. Serious? If you believe money can multiply by 100, at the worst case, assume you will be worth 100 million in HFCK. Serious? Can you see that? 100 what? Million. Invest 1 million now. What we are simply doing, we are telling Kenyans, 300 people here. Then what we have done, there's another group we are saying 250,000 is what we can afford. Do you know what is happening? There are 13 region chairman. And every region has 13 regions. You understand? Every region is getting 300 people. Then the county chairman, 100,000 each. We are working with 40 counties here. Each county gets 300 people. Then, mashinani kwa sub-county, 50K. And we are talking about 178 sub-counties. Each county gets 300 people. I can tell you what we are simply saying in a nutshell. A share here is 62 shillings and 50 cents. What is up? See, look at the shares. Yeah. So what we are actually buying here are 800 shares. This guy is buying 1,600 what? This guy has 4,000 shares. And this guy has 16,000 shares. Are we together? Then we tell you, we are going to work and then with you, we are going to explain very briefly. 2016, I'll buy a land for you. And we started designing the Muthaiga estate for you. Tuijenga vizuri tuseme Muthaiga yetu itakaa hivi. It will be like this. The best city you've ever seen. We must do a better than the ones we have in the US. Back in Kenya. Hapo sawa? Si tuko watu 300. Si that's an estate. Yeah. What is going to happen? I might ask you to give me 2.5 million later for the land. You understand? Hello? Yeah. We separate issues. These are shared. Nitakuishia 2.5 ya nini? But because you have a bank, the bank will buy the land for you. Then I give you a loan. Unilipe miaka ngapi? Miaka ngapi? Pole pole tu. So the bank will get around and just buy. So you are empowered now. So I'll give you a loan, 2.5. 2017, 2017. In the meantime, because you have the land, tumechora nyumba, tumefanya BQ, sio? Tumefanya tendering, we are asking a contractor, can you put 300 homes? Each home more than 50 million. That is only 15 billion. How much is that? 15 only. Do you know by the year 2018 January, the contractor will be ready? And because Italians and Chinese are asking where to take their money, we shall tell them to come with all the 15 billion. Wajenge juu, watupatie funguo 2020. All the bank requires to do is to give a letter of guarantee. Is that true?
Yes.
And that upon finishing, we shall give you the money.
Yes.
And because that time, I know I want to be serious. You know, there's a pro to send me stuck in Yumba. They come here, show me you are serious, you want a 50 million house. Give me the 10% on payment. See the million time? I will ask you for 5. And because I know you don't have, I will give you a loan again. The bank will pay for you. Serious? Alafu kupatia miaka 2 ulipe pole 5 million shillings. Do you know by the time you are finishing the 5 million 2020, the house is complete?
Yes.
50 what? And because of economies of scale, and it's a new house, a new ni shamba tumeconvert to piano estate. Si tulinunua shamba, sio plot. Do you know that house will be worth 300 million? Are you aware? Na tumekuwekea hapo ndani swimming pool, a running track, a library for the children, pahali ya wazee kukutana jioni, sauna, jacuzzi, steam bath, a self-contained estate with 1 kid. Hii mambo ya kuwa na defense kila wakati kwa nyumba, hii itaisha. And me, I want to get my neighbors now. You know so? And we want to work as neighbors for the poor. To an extent, we agree how our estate will be. To an extent, we even define what kind of things we shall be keeping in our homes. Come on, pet, we agree what is a pet. Is that true? Sio mtu anaanza kuleta umbo ya kienyeji anasema ni pet. And because we have that experience, you remember we make it a legally binding document that nobody shall violate our estate. Is that fair? Yeah. So what I will say, the good news is, by the year 2020, what? Remember you have only paid a deposit of 10%, isn't it? So by the time I will be asking you, why is the 45 million? Hello? Hello. The 45? Your housing finance has already financed the homes. Is that true? Do you know what you are saying? I am asking for the 5 million, which is now the impossible part. Can you see? That time your money has grown to 100 what? Million. So you have 2 options. Either tell the company to sell your shares, half of your shares, and pay the house off. Is that true? Or you tell the company to give you a mortgage for 15 years, where you pay 6 million per year. Not per month. Investors are not monthly people. Investors deal with annual payments. What's up? So you say annually 6 what? And you can tell these guys, because I know from my investment, I'll be getting a dividend of 9 million. Unangojea investment yangu kutoa dividend, unanitoa pale 6 million, unanipatia the balance. So the 1 million is now paying for your what? So you shall actually own a home that shall never lose value with the right people without spending money. How many of you guys in the right direction? Therefore, all we ask you guys, we want you as an ego, because you must be an ego to be here. Egos can members. Hear me, sir. We are telling you, board members, hello, hapa, silver, hapa, bronze,